The Creative College School is designed to be a symbol to show the school's role in the community and as a representation of its international standard. It is designed to accommodate 1,500 students between the age of 3 to 18. The site is located in the center of the suburban residential area in Bristol. An open area with barely any obstruction from the surrounding give us the chance to use the site to its maximum potential. In order to make the building merge with the surroundings, we limited the height of the building to 2 stories. The building will be placed in an area with the external temperature of -3 to 25 degrees Celsius. The goal is to maintain an internal temperature of 19 to 21 degrees Celsius to create thermal comfort. To maximize our solar gains and to have a building footprint that would work with our site, we started looking at different orientations for our building, settling on a final design.
To achieve the most compact form, the design has been separated into 3 blocks. A center block comprising of shared spaces which connects the primary and secondary blocks which are placed on either side. The blocks are oriented along an east-west direction with enough distance between them to avoid them self-shading. To increase this effect, the site is separated into 3 layers, providing each block of the building with their own separate area while still being connected. The shared space that is kept in the center creates a focal point connecting the students, as we wanted to encourage community interaction with the school and to foster a better student-community relationship.
Continuing this feeling of community, the classrooms are placed in clusters so that each would have their own shared area. These act as a catalyst to enhance the interaction between the students, benefiting their future growth in keeping with the Creative College ideology. Each of these clusters provides spaces for different activities, giving the students to form a connection and a sense of familiarity, whatever the activity that they are doing. The block form of these clusters is designed in a way to allow daylighting into the central space by using skylights, maximizing the daylight access of the classrooms. Skylights are also used in the library and swimming pool, as a result cutting down on artificial lighting as much as possible. There is shading provided on the east and west side of the shared spaces to block the sharp summer sun. The design of the entire building follows a combination of repetitive blocks, arranged in a way to receive maximum daylight and solar gain. This gives us the flexibility to optimize spaces based on its use, by placing the classrooms mostly on the south side and non-teaching spaces on the north side of the building. This approach to block design allows us to custom make our building components, cutting down on one of the most wasteful sides of building construction, material waste.
To maximize the use of natural products, we are using a combination of hempcrete and timber for the construction, both of which are locally available. Hempcrete is a mixture of hemp, lime, and water. A 500 mm thick component can give us a U value of 0.14, easily meeting the Passive House standards on its own, subsequently having a great effect in reduction of insulating material, thereby reducing the overall material cost. It is strong, lightweight, and breathable. It can be locally grown over a period of months, making it a renewable source and cutting down carbon footprint exponentially.
The climate of Bristol provides a high level of rainwater that is harvested to reduce the amount of water demand of the school. By implementing all of these strategies, we have managed to reduce the energy use of our building down to 45 kilowatts per hour per meter square, nearly 1/5 of the national average energy use of similar school in the UK. The final result being an integrated design that is the combination of community, sustainability, and a creative system.